Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Greek yogurt popsicles. First, gather your ingredients like Greek yogurt, fruit, and a sweetener. Next, mix everything together until smooth. Then, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds. Finally, insert the sticks and freeze them until they are firm. This simple process creates a delightful and healthy treat for any time. For the best Greek yogurt popsicles, begin with plain Greek yogurt. It provides a rich, creamy base. You can sweeten it naturally with a few tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Incorporate fresh or frozen fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or mango for natural sweetness and texture. A dash of vanilla extract can also elevate the overall flavor profile, making them truly delicious. Once you have your ingredients, combine them in a bowl. Use a whisk or a spoon to mix everything until it's completely smooth and well incorporated. Make sure there are no large lumps of fruit or yogurt. Next, carefully pour the mixture into your chosen popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. Finally, insert the popsicle sticks straight into the center of each mold, preparing them for freezing. After filling your molds, place them in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until they are completely solid. To easily remove the frozen popsicles, run the molds under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps loosen them without melting. Serve your delicious Greek yogurt popsicles right away for a cool treat. Any extras can be stored in an airtight bag in the freezer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.